Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. So this is January mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see your messages, Leo, and what's going on. Okay, Four of Cups, your first card. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for you? My god, what's going on, Leo? Six of Wands under the deck. I think you are getting success in your life and you are getting recognition for your hard work right now. Maybe you are getting popular also because Six of Wands and everyone admires you. Definitely you are getting, I think you are getting success in your career because here the outbreak, separation in your relationship, but it is in your career wise. Yeah, you are getting success. I think you are working hard towards your goal and now you are seeing the results. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles and the Moon. I think there is no collaboration between you and your person. I think there is no partnership. You are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person right now. I think you are in separation with your person, lot of you guys. The Moon is here. Yeah, I think some secrets are hidden in this connection. Maybe your person may be hiding something from you. You came to know about that. Maybe you may be hiding something from you. It could be anything. Energy could be vice versa. But it's all about you in my view. So definitely there is separation and Three of Pentacles because there is no collaboration and you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity. For some, your person approached you for partnership with you. They want reconciliation. Very few. Okay. So right now what is going between you and your person? Eight of Pentacles, the Judgment and Two of Swords. Yeah, you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make because you are blindfolded here. Judgment, yeah, some decision. I think it's your decision time what I'm getting here because the Judgment with Two of Swords. Yeah, and Eight of Pentacles. Right now you are investing your energy on yourself only. You are working towards your goals because Eight of Pentacles is here. You're working hard really to achieve your goals and for some you already achieved because Six of Wands is under the deck. Yeah, and near future energy, Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, Five of Cups. You are heartbroken literally. You are missing your person so much because Five of Cups and Three of Swords, Nine of Swords. Especially when you are alone, you are thinking about them a lot and especially at night times also you are in anxiety and yeah, you are in heartbroken. Three of Swords energy and Five of Cups. Yeah, maybe your person also feeling sad for the separation because this is general. Energy could be vice versa. Five of Cups energy. Yeah, you are feeling sad but you didn't see the behind cups. Here Two Cups. So you are getting success in your career but in relationship wise there is separation between you and your person. You are thinking something about a lot. Yeah, you are missing them a lot. You are literally heartbroken. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, S sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Ace of Cups. Definitely there is love between both of you. You love your person. Let's see first your person current feelings, Leo. Then we will see their actions. Yeah, Two of Cups, Princess of Cups. Oh my god, Eight of Swords, Two of Swords. Maybe your person also at some crossroads. Yeah, but they have love for you because Two of Cups, Princess of Cups and Eight of Swords, they have strong emotions for you and this could be soulmate connection. You both could be soulmates. Two of Cups, there is equal love sharing between both of you. I think you both share equal love. And Princess of Cups, they have strong emotions for you but they are feeling stuck. Yeah, this right now your person feeling stuck. They don't know how to approach you because they literally feeling stuck. They're stuck on you. They have strong emotions for you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Leo. Ace of Swords, communication. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. Seven of Cups, maybe they are in confusion state in past. Maybe they are fantasizing about you a lot. But now, maybe in past they seeing other options, but now they want you back in their life. 10 of Swords and 6 of Swords, they want to fix the things between both of you. 10 of Swords energy is they want rebirth in this connection. Now they are feeling like this without you. I think you both are missing each other a lot, because your cards are also 9 of Swords, 3 of Swords and 5 of Cups, and they are also feeling like this. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. 6 of Swords, and some communication is coming in your way because Ace of Swords, truth coming out. They want to communicate with you, they want to express their feelings, they want to fix the things between both of you guys. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and lot of water energy also. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. Leo, child sign. Queen of Cups. Again, your person have emotions for you. I think you both are feeling this connection is like a hard work for you. Maybe in starting of connection there is okay, but later on there is no equal give and take. One person investing more than the other person not, causing so much disturbances in this connection. Maybe I think your person right now feeling overburdened due to their family responsibilities or work pressure, maybe due to this relationship also. But now they want to offer equal give and take. Even though it is difficult for them, they want to offer equal give and take to this connection. I want clarification card for 7 of Wands. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, and again under the deck Empress. I think you stand by your power, Leo. Yeah, this time. Maybe this person will come or not, it doesn't matter, because you stand by your power. Maybe you are very defensive like this time. Because you are undergoing some transformation also. Maybe you are spiritually awakening. Because you invested a lot in this connection past, now it's your person turn to take action, to take this relationship to next level, because you always there for your person. Now it's your person turn. That's why you stand by your power. Even though you have pain in your heart, but still you are smiling, still you stand by your power. What I'm getting here, because you are in so much pain. 9 of Swords, 3 of Swords and 7 of Cups, 5 of Cups. Yeah, you also feeling missing them a lot. I think you both are missing each other a lot. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take. They won't give up on you. 7 of Wands energy. Yeah, if you let them in, definitely this will be going to be next level. So let's see Leo, sorry, your overall energy. Leo, let's see. Yeah, you stand by your power, you Emperor. 8 of Wands, communication, I already told you. Page of Wands, communication. I think one person may be younger than the other person in this connection, and one person in this connection could be very good looking. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take. That is the issue, main issue in this connection, what I'm getting here. Yeah, Page of Wands, spying, communication, messages, lot of communication you will receive from your person, and but you stand by your power. You are very committed to this person in past, but now you stand. I think this time you have to be stubborn. You are. So let's see your person overall energy, Leo. Seven of Swords. Maybe they did something sneaky to you in your past. Yeah, they are very sneaky. They played games with you in past. Now further they are feeling regret. And 3 of Swords. They are also missing you so much. They are also heartbroken. I think you both are on the same page. King of Swords, communication, truth coming out. Maybe they are not expressing their feelings, even though they have emotions for you. 7 of Wands. They won't give up on you until you give second chance to them, Leo. Yeah, they're coming back for second chance. It's up to you. And a lot of communication is coming in your way. They want to express their feelings this time. And here a lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But the best part of this reading is you stand by your power and you are very grounded, Leo. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. Extra message. A win-win outcome is forecast. Yeah, I already told you, you are getting success and you are getting recognition for your hard work. This is the right time for you. A win-win outcome is forecast. Definitely if you let them in, and there will be reconciliation if you are in separation with this person. Yeah, because a win-win outcome is your forecast right now. Yeah. So these are the messages for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.